Hi guys, welcome to your second tutorial on html5. I hope you're all doing well. The first thing we need to do is open up our tags, right? So our open tag is here, right? Then you need this and put in doc type, okay? HTML. Close it then. The next thing to do is add in HTML and close it, right? So this is the first part. Now, in our head, this is our head. This is where anything got to do with the website shows up, but doesn't show up in our web page. It's just like an indicator to our site, okay? So if we drop down here, we could put a title in. So it's the title of our page when we go and, well, you'll see now, title, here we go, and then we'll close it here, right? And see where I have this here, this should close and tag. So in here we'll call this a title, say, my first web page, okay? Now, not that there, right? We can separate here, make it look a bit better. Now, as we go down here, I'm going to put in a body. The body is where the content goes. This is where what actually shows up on your web page goes, okay? And we put in the body just like that. Then we close the whole lot off with a closing tag here and HTML. Okay, let's save it now. So just to show something inside this one, I'm going to put in a paragraph, okay? So paragraph, open tag, and put a P, and then close it, right? Now I'm going to put the writing in and say, let me see, this is the first web page by me, okay? Then we close that off with a closing tag here and a P, okay? So now we've got with a P and a cross like that. So this is what we have so far. Now, I've saved this already. I've put it in a file in my documents. I call it HTML1, and save it as index here at HTML. Okay, so there's our first page, right? Save it here. Now, we're going to run this. Now, what should show up? When we run it, you're going to see this showing up as a search, but this will not be part of our page. The only thing in our page is here. This should show up. So it depends on my Firefox how long it takes this to show up. I do not know, but we will see. Because Firefox can be slow depending on where I am and what my user is actually. So it is taking its time, as usual. So what will we do? Will we wait, or go back in and write something else in when she's running here? Let's go back in. I don't know why she's taking so long. Here she comes now, look, here we go. See my first web page, this does not show up on our web page, but this does here. This is what we see, okay? Now just to show you that, since we have a Firefox as loaded up, we can put in a header, and that's H. And the first one could be H1, that's the biggest header, okay? There's actually 6 headers, right? H1 to 6. And I'll just put down that this is a header. And this will show up. Again, close it off just like I've done here, and if it goes purple, you know you've done it right. Don't mind the 2 here, that's just me running and click on it. So if I go back in here to my page, if I refresh this, voila, this is what you get here. Now, there's different size headers. We can go to, let's just go to a H6, and this is probably the smallest one of a lot, which it is because it's number 6, so it has to be. So there we go, and we'll stick in here my smallest header. Alright, save that again, go back into your browser and we'll refresh our page. There you go, see how small that is? So let's just stick one more in and we'll try the middle of the road with this. We'll just go for H3. So remember that there is actually 6 headers, H1 to H6, and this is going to be number 3. So we just say my middle header. Okay, let's spell it right again. Would be a good idea. Well, we have to spell it right, but who cares? It's just to show the example of this running. Now, if I go in here and I refresh this page, there you go here. Now, I'm going to be moving on to showing you the meta tags that you need to add in here and your code and type. I'm going to do that in the next one. All I want to do is just introduce you to the head. You see where it turns purple? It means you have the links down here. Show you a paragraph, show you different header sizes. We will move on and we'll go through the meta you need and things like that, and we'll get through this together, no problem at all. But you're flying along, lads, and I'll talk to you next tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch you later.